And the feature race for July 18th has Nick Dan starting on the pole from a handicap position. Russ Hockey, Buddy Kopp, John Stuffen, Gary Miller, Chris Stevens, Ryan Coleman, and Matt Stevens. Oh, already up the bat, a little tire brushing. Gary gets destroyed right off the bat. Russ Hockey gets sideways a little bit there. Track really loose and dusty. Oh, and I lose a lot of ground there. Ryan Coleman gets me. Oh, and Buddy and Ryan come together there. Look out, this is scary here. Oh! That was me spinning out here. After Ryan Coleman and Gary Miller, we all come together. Let's look at that one again. Russ gets a little high here and comes down on Ryan and me. That was probably a bad decision to put my foot out there, but it was just instinctual.
Can't turn off the light, turn the light on the camera at the same time.
That was a little bit of a scary wreck. I guess that was our full moon wreck for the night. This special Friday night race, because our Sunday race is rained out, we couldn't get enough guys to race at Oswego Thursday, and there's a pretty good chance of rain for the next Sunday. Oh! There it is, there. Here it is here. First, Matt and Buddy come together a little bit, and Gary tried to get by Melissa on the outside. They brushed tires, and then I wound up hitting Gary, too. His new sidebars prevented me from hitting his legs, though. can't get much closer and competitive than this. Everyone is very close, very even. Very good race. Nick Dan here. Nick Dan and Ryan Coleman, the only two karts here in this group that have race cams. All around a good battle. Oh, and here, Buddy Cotton get a little high. Ryan gets under him. Usually it's either a mistake or a car malfunctions, and the only way you can get passes out here when everyone is this close. That's where the experience comes into play oftentimes. And here, Ryan Coleman blew a tire on the number 7. Tire and the chain. A rough time with the tires of late. We had a short break there for the water of the straight. It was really dusty. Nick Dan. Oh, that was me. I got into a little loose patch there. Nick Dan being challenged by John JP. And what happened to Russ? Russ Hockey brings out the caution. Was that I believe it might have been a tire. Ryan Coleman now is keeping up with everyone with a stock cam. He's lost enough weight in the off season where the dyno cam might be a little too much for him. And very strange that Gary Miller allowed Ryan Coleman to use his car here when he was complaining about him all week. Again, Nick Dan here looking to add to his win total after getting a win at Oswego on the 4th of July event. For some reason, there was IMA written on Gary Miller's car. Look at this race right here. Very close here. I'd like to see any other facility that has actual racing go-karts for rent and make them this evenly matched. Oh no. And here Nick Dan. Nick gets climbed up on by Buddy Cop. JP comes to a stop behind them. Let's view it again here. Poor Nick Dan looking for his first ever feature winner at Galletta's, and caution had to come out. And let's see it again here. Nick was doing a really good job, but he slowed up just enough, and Buddy climbed up his back end right there. Brought out a caution. Unfortunate for Nick. He and Buddy thought that he should have kept the lead, but the rule is you make contact, a caution comes out, we have to go to the back. We can't play favorites. And me and Matt always go to the back when we make contact, so. Matt and myself got more wins than anyone, and we have gone to the back more than anyone, too. Was it there? Nick come back up. He pushed Ryan off the track. There it looked like. I guess he got a little revenge for last week. And Russ again with a stalling problem. Really good race. made interesting by the fact that the turns were extremely loose and the whole track was loose. But both turns were very loose, and the cars felt like they were on skates out there. The lead went back and forth between Chris, JP, and Matt here, right at the end. Oh, and Matt gets a great run on JP right on the restart. Oh. Oh, and debris on the track. Oh, okay. Debris on the track, I guess, is what the caution was about. JP should have went back in front of Matt there because it was not a completed lap, but Matt says because the debris come from JP's car, then he stayed in front. I don't, no, he shouldn't have went to the back. He was all right where he was. If anything, he should have went back to second. Chris and Matt now in the lead. And no, they're not pulling away from anyone, so there shouldn't be accusations of cheating. I know many lesser experienced drivers like to say that we're cheating, but we're clearly not. If we were, then no one would ever win on our track. Here almost got me, but the track was so loose. The track was so loose that anyone could have won this one. JP right on our tails, staying right with us. Buddy not far behind either. Oh, look at how close we were here. Going for his fourth feature win of the year, but Chris gets his first of the year at Galletta's. Dick Dan is semi-retired. He's somewhat bored and tired. And a little scared of getting hurt. Actually, now I have won 2 races in a row. The last Oswego race and the last Galetta's race. So good for me. Yep, it's my the same motor I won the Oswego Classic in. The motor that Matt always rebuilt, which Matt has to brag. He is the master of setting up all the carts.
Baby girl.
This is a breakdown of your services.
And a Psycho Cat. Psycho Cat Gwen. Junker.
Worth it, I suppose.
Junker.
We say we make this a standing appointment, huh? I think we owe it to
Junker.
ourselves.
I'd be happy to set that up. And I've also put together a personal rapport d'argent product system for each of you based on the recommendations of your esthetician.
Oh, nice. This smells great. Try that. I've never even heard of eyelash conditioner.
Good boy.
Hence the brittle lashes. Hey,
Gordon.
it's not said a bit often. It is.
Gordon boy.
Oh my, this just gets better and better. Balanced skin and social advancement.